Hi everybody, I'm Tiffany with Quilt Quarters, and we have officially jumped in to holiday season. All of the manufacturers that we represent, Bernina, Brother, and Janome, they have all sent us their holiday gift guides. We have them here. There are some amazing machine sales, bundle sales, and we've also are starting early bird Black Friday sales. Our store also has their own catalog holiday gift guide that is full of some liquidation sales, certified pre-owned sales, along with all of the other manufacturers' sales going on. There are just sales, sales, sales galore, and now is the perfect time to take advantage of them. Several good reasons to purchase from Quilt Quarters. We have the low price promise, true warranty, 90-day price match, free lessons with your machines, and we are, of course, locally and family owned. Just great reasons why you would love to purchase your machines and shop our store, Quilt Quarters. And if you didn't know, I'm going to tell you, not only is Janome have their holiday gift guide, but they're sponsoring a huge giveaway. So if you come into our store and snap this QR code, you can enter a chance to win not only a machine for yourself, but a second machine to gift to someone, a friend of yours, a family member. So this is just a great opportunity. Come in and scan this QR code. I mean, this has to be the best time of the year. We are decorating the store for our upcoming holiday open house, which is November 15th. We're getting out all of our Thanksgiving decorations and doing up the store in browns and oranges, and we're going to have balloons. And if I didn't already tell you, on our open house, we are going to have refreshments. We are already pricing all of our quilts that we're putting on sale, all of our store sample quilts. They're priced pretty nice. I mean, you're going to get some really great deals with these store samples. So trying to think what else. We're going to have a spinner wheel. And again, it's just going to be a fun day for you to come November 15th. But you can come every day if you like and scan this QR code for a chance to win these machines. Check out these holiday gift guides. Check out machines that you've been interested in for a long time and have the perfect time to purchase now. And call or come in, ask us questions. We are happy to help you with all your sewing needs. So we look forward to seeing you. Thanks.